Natural disasters are striking with greater frequency and intensity, leaving entire communities vulnerable and desperate for essentials like water, food, and shelter. In these critical moments, every second counts, and quick access to accurate information can be the difference between safety and chaos. This is where PrepPal steps in, a virtual guardian in times of crisis.
Our team included members from the CISE department and the School of Business. By combining our technical expertise, we collaborated seamlessly across a user-centered front end, AI-powered backend, and business operations to create a solution that is user-centric, technically advanced, and strategically impactful. This interdisciplinary synergy allowed us to design a tool that genuinely addresses the resource needs of communities where they need it most.
Our tech stack includes React for the front end and Fast API or in Python for the back end, ensuring a seamless and efficient user experience. We implemented a retrieval augmented generation or RAG workflow to provide additional context for enhancing LLM predictions. In our case, we used IBM's Granite LLM to offer information on disaster preparedness kits. And to do this, we used IBM's embedding model, Slate, to create vector embeddings of disaster preparedness PDFs we sourced online. These embeddings were stored in Pinecone DB, allowing the Granite LLM to retrieve relevant information during predictions, incorporating specific and relevant data from these documents to improve our response accuracy. I'm going to be demoing PenPal, Tailored Survival Kit Solutions. So I will be selecting a disaster that I want to prepare for. In this case, we'll pick a hurricane. In this case, you're brought to a page where you can give your location, anything you need to prepare with, and any additional concerns you have regarding the disaster. So in this case, I'll put my zip code in, read 261. Say that I need food and water, and say that I may need shelter in case the storm gets worse. Right? And I'll just put this as a concern. And when you hit submit, these parameters will be sent to the backend where the Granite model will try to give you steps to prepare for the disaster. So here you see the Granite model has given us steps to prepare for. Granted, there's some blinks here regarding the numbers, but other things you can do with the front end is to find locations using the Google Maps API regarding food and water, medical assistance, or nearby shelters. And that's it.
When disaster strikes, every moment counts. Reliable access to resources like water, shelter, and food can mean the difference between chaos and survival. Inspired by countless stories of resilience, we created PrepPal to be more than just a tool. It's a lifeline, a companion that empowers people to take charge even in the most uncertain times. PrepPal is here to bring clarity to chaos, to provide life-saving information at your fingertips, and to be the guiding light when the world goes dark. Together, we can turn fear into action and action into hope.